Hey guys, Martin from Impress Computers, and today I want to show you one of the new Intel builds that we have done. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. This is the Corsair 275R case. Now this is a full-size mid-tower case with a tempered glass on the side, so you get to see the nice view of the inside of your computer. So if you have lights and all the good stuff, you can see the internal component, fans, the video card, etc. Now we have the Intel Core i5 processor. This is the i5 9400F, and it comes with a stock cooler from Intel. So as you can tell, this is a new cooler that they got inside. This is the blacked out fan. We always recommend to use a aftermarket cooler, whether it's air cooler or liquid cooler, for better performance if you're going to be overclocking. Alright guys, about the Corsair RAM. This is an 8GB single rank stick. We have models that they come on dual rank. You can use them for dual channels or single channel. This is single channel, so it's a budget build. It's running at 2400 megahertz. We do have the high-end ones if you're looking for a higher speed. Now talking about the video card, this is the XFX RX570, which is an 8GB video card. Has a lot of power and potential for gaming nowadays. So if you're doing virtual reality or high-end gaming, it's got plenty of power for you to run at least at 1080 resolution. We've seen it run at 1440p as well, with 60 frames per second. So this video card has a lot of power for a budget computer. Now we're gonna talk real quick on the solid state. This model that we built came with a 500 gig. However, when you do custom builds, you can always upgrade more components inside of it. Especially if you have a nice case like this. It has a lot of bays for 2.5-inch solid states or 3.5-inch regular speed hard drives. Now, the power supply. This is a 750 watt bronze from EVA certified power supply. The difference, for those who don't know, between bronze, silver, gold, and platinum power supplies, it's how efficient they run, how quiet they run. Some of them have this hybrid mode, some of them don't have hybrid mode, some of them are modular, some of them are semi-modular, and completely non-modular. So there's a lot of options that you guys can pick. Also on this motherboard, this is the Z390. It's from Asus. This is a prime version, and as you can tell, you got the nice RGB colors on the side. Now, this motherboard comes with the RGB connection header. So if you have strips from a current build that you have, or if you want to upgrade in the future, put RGB lights in there, this motherboard can do that for you, and you can synchronize it through the RSync once you download it. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. If you guys have any questions on this custom build, you can always leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.